Pricol Ltd, automotive components and precision engineered products manufacturer. With a market cap of 4,967 crore rupees, and currently trading at 408 rupees per share. The company has a 16% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 47% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was established in year 1975, and was later incorporated in year 2011. They are based in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, with more than 5,500 employees. With 8 manufacturing plants in India, and 1 in Indonesia. The company manufactures automotive components and precision engineered products, which are used by leading automotive OEMs in 2- and 3-wheeler, cars, commercial vehicles, and more. They have clients in both domestic and international market. They got listed on BSE and NSE from 1993 and 1996 respectively. The company has entered many strategic partnerships over the years. In 2017, they entered a partnership with Dongguan Shenpeng Electronics, China for introduction of electric coolant pump in India. In 2021, the company entered a strategic alliance with Candera, Austria for high-end human-machine interface software creation for connected vehicle solutions. In 2022, they partnered with Cibros Technologies, California for providing driver information system and telematics solutions to OEMs. They also partnered with BMS PowerSafe, France to manufacture and sell battery management system, and PSG Institutions, India, to develop high-efficiency micro motors and artificial intelligence-based processes and equipment. In 2023, they partnered with Heilongjiang Tianyuwai Electronics, China, for advanced technologies. The sales of the company have been consistently growing for the last 4 years. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year, showing good and steady growth. The promoters' holding of the company has slightly increased in the last 4 quarters, which is a good sign. We can also see some foreign and domestic investments in the company, increasing from quarter to quarter. Some clients of the company are BMW, Harley-Davidson, Tata, Ducati, Honda, CAT, Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, and many more. The company has many clients from both domestic and international markets. Coming to some key highlights. In 2022, the company received Top 50 Innovative Companies Award from the Confederation of Indian Industries. They have an experienced management team, and manufactures more than 2,000 product variants, and exports to more than 45 countries. They have 3 international offices in Japan, United Arab Emirates, and Singapore. The revenue concentration of the company is 7% from exports, and 93% from domestic. The company has capital spending plans of rupees 400 to 450 crores, over the next 3 to 4 years, to enhance capacity. They have 2 research and development centers, approved by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Company has 14 patents granted under its name, and some pending for approval. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.